Hi guys, it's Mrs. Deanna. I thought I'd do a little screencast here for you to help you with your PowerPoint project. So here I am in PowerPoint. I've just logged on. It automatically brings up this screen. So this is a new project here. You can see it's kind of boring. You might want to add something new. So let's come on up here to design. And you can see it's going to start changing what I have here. So I'm going to go ahead and type in what I want so I can see what it looks like. Kingdom and Amalia. Put down here that this is Mrs. Deanna. You can type in whatever you want. So high school biology. And then like put the date. Probably a good idea, right? I don't know. Today's the 12th, 2016. That's all done like you would normally type in Word. It's inside a text box. You do everything inside text boxes, all your text. So you can see here, as I go across, it is changing things. Ooh, that one looks really professional and snazzy. Whatever theme you pick, this is just your title slide that looks exactly like this. Your other slides are going to be slightly different, but within a theme. That's kind of nice. Go ahead and pick that one. I want something different though. Those aren't my colors. See over here, it literally says colors. That's kind of pretty. That's a custom one I made called Marion. Let's look. You can use plenty of standard ones. Again, you can make up your own if you want. That one looked good for biology. If you don't like the font, you can come in and change the font. You can see it's going to change things here. There's lots of choices, right? I liked some of these up here in the beginning. Just going to choose that one. Effects, you can mess with that a little bit if you want to, but this is the basics here. Okay, but I'm going to need another slide. This is just my title page, right? So you can right click on your box over here in this working pane. This is your working pane. Right click on it and I can choose new slide. This is where you can choose the duplicate slide that I was telling you about. So I don't want a duplicate because that would be the title. I want a new slide. There's another way to choose new slide though. Come up to your tabs. Remember, we're in design. Come over to home. And you can come over here and click new slide. And now you can kind of get an idea of what the different options are. I'm going to want, oh, picture with caption. That might work. I'm going to click my icon to add a picture. And I'm just going to look for a picture here. This is obviously not a panda bear. I'm going to put my grandma in here. She's not a panda bear. But I'd come down to this text box then, type panda bear. Click to add text. I don't know, they're roughly 5 feet tall. They are, I know this is going to sound insulting, sorry Grandma. I'm just guessing on the panda bear. Probably about 500 pounds. 400 pounds. Let's see, there are black and white bear is their unique characteristic, that they are the two color. Now I can put in their scientific name as well as their common name, any other structures. You guys have your list, you know what should be here. Bulleted lists are really good on PowerPoint. So to get to a bulleted list, you would come over here. Start a bulleted list. You can choose between a couple different symbols. You can see them. There's also some custom ones you can find. This one's kind of nice. I have a lot of room in this box though, so maybe I'll make them bigger. This works just like Word. You can make things bigger. That's a lot easier to see. You want to really make your text on the slides fairly large so that we can all see it. And legible. You don't want too much text. That's why keeping a bulleted list is great. If you want to make yours into a screencast instead of talking, you can add in your talking later. If you want to add notes to yourself, you can remind yourself, this is a photo of my grandma. So you can type in any notes down here that give you some idea so you can practice what you actually want to say when you do it. Now my next animal, I'm probably going to want the same basic setup, so I'm going to choose duplicate slide. So it looks the same, but you can look in your working pane that I'm on the second one like this. Maybe I want to change something here. Reset slide, format my background. Maybe I want a different color background on this one. So I can pick. We had my theme colors here. Let's see if I can make this one orange. So this one's a little bit different. Not bad. I can make it more or less transparent. So if I don't want it quite as bright and orange, maybe I like that one. Okay. So now I'm going to want a different picture. Right click. Oops, didn't go, did it? Right click, change picture. I'm going to put the house I grew up in. You know, and we'll say that this one is, sorry, yeah, make this one a cardinal. Cardinals, I don't know, roughly 7 inches. Maybe they're 5 ounces. And their main feature is that they have a crest, right? Should probably be capitalized. Okay. What are some other things we had to do? We needed to have a chart. This particular setup of slide is really good. Remember, I can go change my background and all. But this one, I can add, it says right there, insert a table, chart, smart art graphic, media clip. So if instead of a picture of one of my animals, I happen to have a video of one, I could insert that right there. You can insert clip art. Again, that's a picture from file. So what you really need is this. Again, it works just like it does in Word. We're going to put in here, what was our thing here? Common name. This here would be, right, our binomial nomenclature. Size, what else do we say? Weight. Characteristic. Remember, you guys might have more things. Refer back to your assignment for this. You can just type your information in here. Panda bear. I don't know. He's an Ursus something or other, I'm guessing. But it's just a guess. Ursus. We'll call it cutie. I don't know. Just saying. Size, I believe I said he was 5 feet tall. I think I said weight. 400 pounds. Characteristic. Black and white bear. My other one was a cardinal. And I don't know. Was it a birdish crestus? I don't know his binomial nomenclature. I roughly said 7 inches. Again, you're going to be looking these facts up, right? You guys will be looking these up. 5 ounces, and his characteristic was a crest. That's what separates him apart from other birds, mainly. And if you need to add a row, just highlight a row, right click it, come down here, look, insert. You can insert a column if you don't have enough columns up here for all your information. That's not what we need. We need another row maybe, so you can insert a row below. You can add in whatever other animals you have. And you can say that this was whatever title chart I gave you. Characteristic chart. Whatever. So you type that in. Okay, I also said you needed, let's come up here to this new slide. I said you needed some other things. Smart art graphic could be the way to go here. So we need our tree chart. You're looking at this can kind of look overwhelming. Look at the different kinds. And we'll look at all of them. List, no, process, cycle. These aren't looking like our tree chart. This kind of looks like our tree chart did. So you can choose one of these. See, they call it an organizational chart as well. It is our tree chart. Notice this text pane over here. This is going to be your friend. This is where you should actually be typing in. It will appear and it will adjust the size. All you have to do is type it in. And our 2 phylum that we used were aves and mammalia. It's all we use so far in these two. So we're going to delete these extra boxes. Look, they disappear, right? So our bird fell under aves. We had a cardinal. We went to go under him, so I'm going to hit the tab button. See how it makes it come off aves. Now we have animalia, comes down to aves, comes down to our cardinal. Again, we're going to type that in over here. Cardinal. Under mammalia, I'm going to hit enter. Takes me in. I'm going to need to hit tab to make it go under. And there is our panda bear. Okay, so we have our chart. Our dichotomous key can look a lot this way. This would instead would be our question. Like maybe, does it have feathers? Again, this is in Smart Art. This is an organizational chart. This is the kind of chart you're going to use. So that's about it. At the end, you're going to probably insert new slides for conclusions. You don't want the same kind. Let's choose a layout. Maybe you can compare two of your animals here. I mean, pick the slides you want, change the colors around. This is just a basic intro, guys. I'll have some more information on how to add pictures later, but this is how to get some of that text in so you get this started. I hope that helps, and I will see you guys on Friday. If you need anything else, give me a call.